Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open a file with a different app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Samsung folder. Next, open up My Files. In My Files, I'm going to go back to the home page, and from the home page I'm going to go down and tap on internal storage, and I'm going to open up my uncompressed folder. In here I'm going to go into documents, and in here I will be able to find My Files. Now if I try to open up this test document, it will ask me which application that I want to open with. So let's say if I choose Docs right here and I choose Always, and then the next time if I try to open that same text file, it will automatically use the default file. So if you want to open up with a different app, what you want to do is touch and hold on that file, and then tap on More, and then choose Open With. And in here you will have the option to open that same file type with a different application. So instead of using the default Google Docs, I can now choose to use Office or Chrome to view the file. And that's it. So in here I'll be able to view this file right here. And that is how you can open a file with a different app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So you can see this is the default application. Google Doc is the default application to open up my text file. Thank you for watching.